left all your animals over there. Rowan, go get them. Go get your new friends and put them back in your basket. Put them back in your basket. Yeah, pick them up. Good, you have a froggy. Put them in the basket. Yeah, you can give him a hug. Ah. Good job. Good job. What about the duck? Can you go get the duck? Good job. Okay, can you go get the bunny? Go get the bunny, Rowan. Go get the bunny. Good job. Put him away. Okay, now you can take your basket with you. Good job. Say Happy Easter.